Hey, how's everyone this morning? Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, we're here in the Collins home, and we're having class at home this morning. This afternoon. This morning we had somebody to stop by, and they bought us breakfast, and we began there and I began with prayer this morning. Talking to the Lord and enjoying on Him first. Then we had a family member to stop by. They brought us lunch, and now we're beginning our study for afternoon class. You could do this in the morning, or you could just work on projects with the kids to keep them busy at home. Say hey, everybody.
Hi.
What are you making?
We're making a birdhouse.
Okay. What was the scripture for today?
Love one another as I have loved you. John 13:34.
Good job. See? That was good. Let me see the front of your house, Miss Aaliyah.
I have to finish painting the corners and stuff because I just got started.
Without moving the camera.
Wow, good job. Say hey, Khalil.
Hey.
They want to see your face.
Hey.
Hey, he's working. Hey, Maji.
Hi.
Good job.